it's me, Carol. Right now we are here in Edward Gardens, Toronto Botanical Gardens. So I just want to show you around how beauty this place is. So come with me. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Come. So they have a different types of flowers here. This is the garden. Oh, look at this pretty. This is called Amsomia. Blue Star Amsomia Tuber no Montana. Okay, whatever. It's hard to pronounce. Okay guys, we are climbing up to a little hill ito, for a better view ng gardens. So makikita ninyo kung gaano kaganda itong gardens na ito. Well, a very well maintained garden. So paikot lang. Yan. So, kita nyo sa baba. Yan, kita nyo. Sa pang-ikot. Sa pang-ikot. Okay, let's just wait. Yan, you see? See sa baba? Oh, ayan ang garden. Oh, you see? Look how beautiful this garden. See, kita mo ang ganda dito sa taas. Wow! Yan. Look at, diba ang ganda? Oh, I love nature, so yeah. I am a nature lover, so this is how we should appreciate the nature. A very well maintained garden. Look at that. Look. Ta-da. So that is the building. A gift shop. Ta-da-da-da. Okay, so yun yung yung garden. Look up behind me. That's the garden. Guys, see? Maganda dito sa garden na ito. Dito yung mga ginagawa yung mga nagpapareserve for a wedding photo shoot. Dito nila ginagawa. This is also good for family, mga field trip. Yan. I'm sure mag-i-enjoy yung family nyo dito. Yeah, look at that. Naglalakad na ako pababa kasi umakyat tayo kanina eh.
Kaya gumaganon yung kamay ni mama o nagsishake.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Di tsaka mahangin kasi. Pag hinabaan ko tong stick, ano na siya, mahangin na. Yes, it is recording. Which way we should we go? Where's Angie?
Bridge.
Say hi to the vlog. So I have Gian with me, I have Stephanie with me. And now we're looking for the other two girls. Look up behind me. See? Ganda, di ba? Oh, they're all green. Green colors. Ayan. Ito yung tinignan natin kanina sa taas. Ngayon, nasa baba na kami. Okay, let's see. I've already paid my parking. Parking dito. May bayad ang parking dito, $2.50 per hour. Where do they go?
Bridge.
Bridge. Where is the bridge? This way? Let's try this way. Huh? Dito yata yung ano, trail. Dito yung trail. Dito yung trail. So mamaya natin explore. Let's explore that one later.
Alin?
Ask them. Okay, susundan natin yung dalawa. Pupunta tayo sa trail. Look at those wood. Ang ganda ng mga wood, oh. Panggatong. I don't know what they gonna do with that wood, but they're beautiful. Yeah, baka pang ano to sa plants. Yeah. Ito yung ano, trail. So we're going into the trail. Yeah, so there's a bridge. May bridge sa baba.
Yan pala yung bridge. Ayun ang bridge.
Okay, so this is the bridge. Na sinasabi ni Angie. So they went there with Nicole. Okay, let's go guys. Maglalakad tayo sa trail. There's people walk by here. May nagbabike. Dito. It looks like not crowded today. So it's okay to go outside guys, but make sure you're responsible for your action and follow the guidelines because of the COVID-19, the craziness that is going on today. So when you go outside and come back home, make sure na mag-shower, wash your hands thoroughly. So yun, sanitize yung mga ginamit yung staff before you join with your family or your children. So pababa itong ano, masarap yung pababa. Pag umakyat na mamaya, andun ang challenge. Oh, there's also washroom down there, but I think those washroom is closed, right? May washroom doon. Naghanap kaming washroom pero closed because of COVID-19. We're not allowed to use washroom. Let's go back.
Yeah, let's go. Wala masyadong ano dito, puro mapuno lang.
It's okay.
No?
I'm busy.
Mag-walking.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Hi, that's Angel and Nicole. Hey, let's go back.
Yo.
Kasama pa sila kanina. Yeah, they're part of my vlog. See, ang ganda, oh. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Hi, Nicole. Hi, Angie. Hi, guys. So, ayun, medyo mahaba-haba yung recording ko kanina. We walk like for 2 hours sa Botanical Gardens kanina. So there will be a part 2 kasi sayang naman kung puputulin ko yung scenery kanina. Maganda pa naman yung lugar. So abangan nyo yung part 2 ng video ko. Continuation yun ng Botanical Gardens. So thank you so much, guys. So, ayan guys, we are home now at nakabili na kami ng food at kakainin na namin yun. Mga gutom na kami from the park this morning. Medyo nag-iiba na yung cloud kasi mukhang uulan. Mukhang uulan ngayong hapon. So, very timely na pumunta kami ng maaga sa park. So, kaya eto, andito na kami sa bahay ngayon at kakain na kami ng aming actually that will be lunch or early dinner. um, so thank you so much guys for being with me today sa video ko, and please subscribe if you like my video today, and comment down below if you would like me to show you for my future video whatever you like me to show you in this country, Toronto, and I will record that for you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. Love you guys. Thank you. Bye. Stay positive. Stay safe. Keep moving forward, everyone. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye. Thank you. Bye, guys.